How to use moving chart in Canva. Open up any web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in canva.com and press enter to access the Canva homepage. Once you're on Canva, we need to open a new document. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and open a presentation template. Feel free to choose a format that suits your needs. After your blank template has loaded, we'll proceed to find the moving chart feature. Look to the left-hand menu, locate the Apps button, and click on it. You'll see a new menu open. Scroll down until you find the section labeled More from Canva. This is where our charts are waiting. Click on Charts. Within the Charts section, there are plenty of options available for you to explore. For a moving chart, scroll further down until you see the bar race center. There are two options available. Select the one you prefer to use. You'll notice that as soon as you play this chart, it animates and elements begin to move. We'll make it more dynamic by adding our own data. I've prepared a data set on Google Sheets that I want to integrate into my moving chart. Let's import this data into our Canva chart. Head back over to your Canva workspace. On the left side, at the bottom of the menu, you'll see the option labeled Add Data. Click on it. Select Google Sheets from the menu. I'll click on a file labeled Car Data. Once chosen, click Done to import it into your chart. You should see that the data has already been updated on your chart. Let's play it back to ensure everything is moving smoothly. For continuous playback, navigate to your chart settings. There will be an option to loop playback forever. Toggle it on. Now your chart has been successfully set to play in a continuous loop. It's engaging and ready to be used in your presentation. And there you have it.